Hello everyone, I am Stuti and I have with me Mr. 𝗂𝗪𝗺𝗔, Director of CH Edgemakers. We welcome you all to the official online platform of CH Edgemakers. While we were scrolling our YouTube channel, also there were some students who were coming and asking various queries while they were filling the NMAT form. However, we have scheduled the special online form filling session for our students at our centers, and we will be uploading the detailed form filling session on our YouTube channel as well. There were some queries which students had, and we thought to address it on a common platform like this, so that if you also have the query, it will be clear to you as well before you fill the NMAT form. So while you see the slide here, we have registration and we have scheduling. So there were many students who were asking, what is the difference between registration and scheduling?
Okay, well, registration is only filling all the details, your personal details, academic details, work experience, and also paying for it, selecting the colleges. Scheduling is actually scheduling for the exam. So as you can see, there's something like exam delivery. So exam delivery, that is when can you take the exam. So it's a two-step process. Registration is a different process, and then you have to go back to your dashboard, and there you have to schedule for the exam when you wish to take it.
Wonderful. I hope you are with us till now. Alright. Now sir, there were some students who were also confused with scheduling to ho gaya, but what is rescheduling now?
Well, at times you feel like, let's say your exam is after 5 days and you feel like I'll not be able to appear in the exam. So NMAT gives you an opportunity that before 72 hours of the exam, you can apply for a reschedule. For that, you have to pay a small amount of roughly 1,200-1,400 rupees. You have to pay that amount, and they will then you can reschedule your exam. So let's say you scheduled your exam on 17th of December, and you realized you will not be able to take it. So you can go there on, let's say, 10th of December and apply for a reschedule.
All right. Let me take a hypothetical situation. However, it sometimes happens with students that, because of XYZ reason, they're not able to go to the center at the scheduled time and they're not able to appear the exam. Do we have any option for that?
Yeah, there is an option. You can retake the exam. So there's a difference between retake and normal registration and retake registration. NMAT allows you to take exam thrice in that window. So here the window is, let's say, starting from 5th of November to 20th December, you can take the exam thrice. But there are two cases. First, you have appeared in exam and you felt like you didn't perform well. So you can retake the exam. But a duration of 15 days must be there. Let's say you were about to take exam on 1st of December. So you have to give at least 15 days. So after 15 days, you can retake the exam. But let's say you didn't go to the center, you were not able to appear, then after 24 hours only, you can retake the exam. But for that, you have to pay the fee again. Also, one more thing should be considered while retaking the exam. Let's say you have appeared in the exam and now you wish to retake it because you felt like you didn't perform well. 𝗪𝗏 Mumbai campus will not consider the marks of retake. They will only consider the marks of first exam that you will appear. So while retaking it, please keep that in mind. For other colleges, yes, you can retake the exam and improve your scores.
I think that makes sense, sir. Sir, this is the most important question which many of the students have been asking. They'll be appearing for NMAT, but there are students who are also appearing for CAT. Now the question and the query they have is whether should I appear for NMAT before CAT or after CAT, because the CAT window, the NMAT window is like this, right? Okay. So what should be the idea?
Well, the thing is, let's say if you are targeting NMAT, your sole target is NMAT and not any other college or any other exam, then appear whenever you wish, whenever you feel you are ready. It can be before CAT, after CAT. But if you feel you are taking CAT and your prime target is probably IIM Ahmedabad, so the suggestion would be take it after CAT, because there are some differences between the exams. In NMAT, for example, the focus is more on vocabulary, the focus is more on critical reasoning application or critical reasoning miscellaneous varieties, statement conclusion, statement course of action kind of questions. The focus is also on grammar, and they don't ask grammar in CAT. So better you take CAT first, prepare hard, and then take NMAT. So you'll be able to perform in both the exams. So that is the suggestion. Although if you feel like you are ready for exam, you can take it before CAT as well. I think that answers the question.
That's correct. I think these were the main questions that our students have asked us. But we would still want, if you have any query, we would love to address your query anytime. So do drop us in the comments below if you have any query, and we shall address that in the next video.
Okay.
Thank you
Best
for
wishes.
watching.